Hello, guys. Welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I am Vishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energy. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. So take what resonates, and if it doesn't resonate, it's not your story. Let's do general collective reading for sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, sign of Aquarius. Karma of your ex for hurting you. I have already shuffled the cards. Let's get started. So, how they played you, how they feel about playing with you, what's going on in their life, okay? How they feel about you now, what's their karma, okay? Okay. Okay, so here it is how they played you. I think you were wife or you had been into a very stable connection with them. She was very abundant. I mean, you are very abundant. And how what they did to you, how they played you, they never had a harmony with you. In fact, you offered them all the love in the world. They never felt. You were always waiting for them. See, I can see this lady back of them. This is you. And he never had his focus on you. He always wondered what was there outside. He always thought that outside that home he will get whatever he wants. In fact, you offered him everything you could, but they didn't recognize that. So this is three of wands, two of chalices, and knight of swords. Three of wands, two of chalices, and knight of swords. He now, how do they feel about playing with you? Now, sitting from far, they think that from far when they watch you, and they just wanted to. They feel like they should have communicated with you. They feel like they should have told you that they had a other lover. That is what they think after playing with you, after going out of your relationship or cheating with you. So, what's going on in their life now? They had a new beginning, this new beginning, this love based beginning with this other person who is a single parent, I guess. And with them, they are now, and they offer all their love to them. And this person, this King of Cups, gender doesn't matter in tarot. So, this is King of Cups. They are not offering their love to him the way he thought he would get. He expected this lover to offer them all their cup, but I think they are not offering them. They are just concentrating on their kids and what she can get from him. Stability. That is what is happening. They feel how they feel about you now. At this moment, they feel lot of regret because the love you offered them. This is also Queen of Chalices. So you offered them stability and love, right? You offered them stability and love, but they are not fulfilled in this relationship because this other person is not as emotional. See how emotional you are about them. They thought the grass was greener other side, but there is no not lot of. They try to gain control on them, I guess. So now they are in lot of regret. They are having lot of sleepless night. They cry about you. They don't know what to do about it, and they think you are so loving and so kind that you might get anybody. They think that any passionate person can just come and get hold of you. That is what they keep on thinking. They cannot let you go. Okay. And they think that you're so beautiful also. You look very pretty. You're a very pretty woman. Or if you're a man, you are a good looking man. Don't take gender very. See, now what is their karma? Their karma is that they would have had a happy family, the family with kids, long term fulfillment with them. But they just left you because grass was greener on other side. So now they, what will happen, their karma is they will see you happily staying with some other person. No, no. It is like they wanted this happiness, this fulfillment of a full family. Family fulfillment they wanted, which you already offered them. But they thought that they might get little better. They deserve better. That is what they thought. But now, if they try to come back, as they see you very passionate and you are queen of wands now, because when they left you, you got into your power. You are a very confident person. Now they want this happiness with you, but you will immediately, if they try to come back, they spy on you. They'll keep spying all their life on you, whatever you are doing. But they will not come in front because they know you had been hurt. And you are queen of swords, Artemis. So they know there is no chance they can get back to you for this happiness, and they regret it now. So their karma is that they will not have you. This is their karma. When they had you, they never valued you. They ignored you. They always thought that that was nothing. See, he never even recognized that you were always standing for them. And now here, when you have gone, when you're gone, then they want this family again. They want this family back just because you are single, looking stunning, beautiful, and they know any. See here, you have queen, king of wands, queen of wands. So there's a pair. He thinks and he knows if they should not have left you, and that is their karma. That the whole their life they will be regretting this way. Now they are regretting, and later they will not be able to even communicate with you because your words will be very cutting to them, and moreover you are not even going to offer them any emotions. They know it, and they will keep on spying on you because they love you, because they know that you love them a lot. That is why they took you for granted. That is their karma. They will not have you. So Aquarius, so let's see what are three messages which your person wants to see. I told you Oh my God, holy angels. Grass wasn't greener on other side. It was a mistake. So he thought that more than your love, other person can offer them everything they wanted. But they regret that. Now they feel I would hurt you more because they don't know what to do. So I need to be alone. Okay, be alone. See, they know. Yes, one day we will be together, not this lifetime. So they know कि it is not possible now, you coming back. Moreover, here at the back of the deck, it's written everywhere I see, it reminds me of you. Your aura follow me. I can feel it. So he knows that you loved him from hardcore, your heart was open to them, you were so dedicated to them that they never thought you will walk away. That is what happened. And now they are so scared to come and even apologize to you. And they are so much in regret what they have done. Anyway, so these are your person's messages. I hope you like it. So, if it resonated, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. Don't forget to comment so I'll come to know how much this readings resonates. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video, Aquarius. Till then, love and light. Bye.